One of the clips for my light broke last weekend. That one broke. It's right here, totally broken. I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. So the first thing to do is take a bunch of measurements. I have my calipers here that take super precise measurements, and a part here which I'm gonna try to replicate. And I could take little measurements like that and basically try and get every critical measurement I need. I can measure every profile pretty much with one tool. All right, the next step is to take all your measurements and make a 2D sketch. I'm using SolidWorks to do that. And I just have all the dimensions that I just measured with my caliper, and I just punched them in and made this 2D profile. The next step after that is to extrude it in 3 dimensions, which is the last dimension that we also measured. I also added some ribs for strength because the 3D printed part may not be as strong. So that those ribs go all the way across the part. And then the last feature is just the hole, and add a chamfer here so it can accept a flathead screw and the screw doesn't stick out of the part, so it can sit flush with the light. So I have the 3D print here. This was printed with sintered nylon, so it's really strong. Should be strong like the original part and enough to snap on. And you can see the dimensional accuracy there is pretty good. Everything lines up. The last thing to do is to try it out. Nice. All fixed.